How to fix Wise app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So one of the main reasons your application might not be working is because it's not updated. So let's head over to our Play Store and search for Wise. If it shows open, it means your application is updated, but instead, if you see update, tap onto update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. And at this settings page, scroll below onto apps and search for Wise. Tap onto your Wise application, then tap onto storage. Here, clear the cache and also clear your data. Before that, please note down your username and password elsewhere. Then tap on delete. Come back and tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now see if this fixes your app not working problem. If you are still facing that issue, then long tap onto your Wise application, tap on uninstall and reinstall it again from your Play Store or your App Store. Once done, this shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.